drawer and the stuff he's not supposed to get. Yeah, you're not supposed to get that stuff. Say hi, Dada. Say Dada. Dada. Levi, say Dada.
He said hi.
Say hi, Dada.
You can't say that.
Levi, say Dada.
Even
Davis, say hi to Daddy. Oh, nobody wants to say hi to Daddy? Say Dada. Okay, look at you. Levi, what are you getting into? You can't have those. Davis, we don't have any popcorn or ice cream for the last time.
Well, but I want some of that stuff.
Maybe we can go get some at the store since you're sick.
Okay.
Levi, say Dada. Say Dada.
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 I said Dada.
Say Daddy, I'm pulling up when you leave. Can you believe it? Oh, all done. He got what he needed.